Hey guys, it's Jennie Wallach with the Wallach Group here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Recently I created a training class called Mirror My Business. It's a workshop, 3-hour session of me sharing all the things that we do here in our business in order to help over 100 families a year, most of those coming from our database. And instead of me talking about all the things that you're going to learn, I thought I'd just talk with a recent student who can share a little bit about who she is, where she works, and why she found benefit in this training class. So hi there, Kimberly. How are you?
I am good. Hi, Jenny. How are you doing?
I'm so great. Why don't you just share with everybody who you are and all that good stuff and what you think they should
You bet. So I'm Kimberly Horn, team leader, 11 years. I'm also a MAPS coach. I am a bold coach, and I'm a rainmaker for a team here in Tampa. And so, yeah, a lot of many hats. And so, Jeannie, your class has been perfect for one of my very specific hats.
Well, I am just so honored that you would spend your time and your hard-earned money. Your time is so valuable that you have, like you said, wear so many hats. So why should someone sign up for this class when clearly you've got the training and the coaching and the skills already? Why should somebody continue to learn from me?
Well, first off, I hold you in high regard. This is it. So whenever you were putting out this implement my business and mirror my business, it really was actually a no-brainer. I was like, I know she's system driven. I know she has success. You're easy to relate to. And so for me, it was a very no-brainer. So just the fact that you have the system. So running different pieces of my world, there are so many different hats that I put on. Even though I'm also a very high D as well, as we've teased about, systems are very much the way that I run the business. So I'm like, if you're doing it once, put it in writing. Let's make sure that it's done on a consistent basis. I'm all about the schedule. If it's not my calendar, it doesn't exist. Because when you want a high level of success, if you don't have it systematized, there's a lot of failure. So being a rainmaker for a team, and it's a newer team in the Tampa area, and I had my license for, 16 too many years, right? And yet I knew that I needed systems in place immediately. I didn't want to look for them. I didn't want to create them. And I didn't want to, I wanted it just easy ready, the easy button. I got the genie button now. And so that's what this class has done for me. And that's why I decided to take it, because I told my partner, listen, we're going to learn from the best, and her name is Jeannie, so let's do it.
Oh my gosh, what an honor. You are so awesome. I think you kind of wrapped it up for me. Thank you for sharing and being in the class and always smiling and participating. And if you guys want to learn more, go ahead and sign up at the Eventbrite link below. I've got some workshops coming up, and then the next step after that is implement my business. I look forward to seeing you in the classroom. Thanks, Kimberly.
You're welcome.
Bye.